Good morning. How are you children? I hope you all are fine. In the previous class we have learned about food and health. Now I am going to tell you about new lesson. Okay children, I will ask some questions. Tell me. You know our national symbols children? What is our national fruit? Mango. What is our national animal? Royal Bengal tiger. What is our national bird? Peacock. Okay children, what is our national river? The Ganga. Children, you know our national festivals children? Say, what is our national festivals? Independence Day. When we celebrated Independence Day children? August 15th every year. Next festival children? Republic Day. When we celebrated Republic Day? January 26th every year. Okay children, I will explain lesson name our independence. 4th class EVS children, lesson 3 our independence. Children, in this lesson you will learn about how our country became independent from the British. You will also learn about some of the great people who sacrificed their lives in the struggle for freedom. Dispute means argument. They helped one ruler to defeat the other in war. Okay children, understood which purpose established East India Company? The British established East India Company for the purpose of trading in India. Okay children, see this picture children. To reciprocate this. Reciprocate means do the same, respond in kind. In the winning rulers granted some rights to the British over the captured territory. In this way, the British gradually consolidated their power in the country by breaking the unity and solidarity among our rules. Thus, the traders became the rulers of India for nearly 200 years. Now, I am going to tell you about some freedom fighters. Children, observe this picture children. Who is he? The great freedom fighter Veerapandya Kattabrahmana. Many people fought against the foreign rule in India. One among them was Veerapandya Kattabrahmana, who refused to accept the sovereignty of British East India Company and waged a war against them. He was captured by the British and hanged in 1799. See this picture children. Under the British rule, the Indians suffered a lot by plundering our natural resource. The British destroyed our traditional crafts. They imposed their culture and language on our people. Indians were constantly humiliated by racial discrimination. Discrimination means the unjust or prejudicial treatment of different categories of people or things, especially on the grounds of race. There was a growing resentment among the Indian rules and people against the policy of the British in India. Introduction of gun categorized greased with animal fat escalated the discontent among the Indian soldiers in the British Army. They felt that it was a deliberate attempt to defile their religious feelings. Observe this picture, children. The revolt started with the first shot fired by an Indian soldier in the British Army, Mangal Pandey, on the British officers, which led to the beginning of India's freedom struggle in 1857. This is known as Sepoy Mutiny or First War of Independence. Observe this picture, children. Who is she? She is great freedom fighter Jhansi Lakshmi Bai. It spread to different parts of India as the local rulers rose in rebellion against the British rule. One such ruler was Lakshmi Bai. Lakshmi Bai, the warrior queen of Jhansi, came to rule after the death of her husband. The British rulers refused to recognize her adopted son as the legal heir to the throne of Jhansi. Moreover, they tried to annex her kingdom. In the battle that followed, she fought with the British riding a horse and carrying her son on her back. Too, she lost her life in the fight for freedom. She remained in the hearts of Indians as a symbol of brave patriotism and honor. Patriotism means nationalism. During the period that followed India's first war of independence, many leaders spread the message of self-confidence and making India free from domination of a foreign power. Children, you know what is our national song? Vande Mataram. Who wrote by Vande Mataram? Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. He is Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee composed Vande Mataram, which inspired lakhs of Indians to participate in the Indian freedom struggle. Children, stand up all of you. All us sing once Vande Mataram.
Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Sujalam Sufalam, Manayata Sitalam, Sasya Syamalam Mataram, Vande Mataram, Suprajoshna Pulakitayamini, Pullakusumita Drumadala Shobhini, Suhasini, Sumadhura Bhashini, Sukadavarada Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram.
Okay, children, this is our national song. Every day we all are sing in our school prayer. Okay, children, today's poem task: read and write hard words 3 times. Read and write hard words 3 times, children. In this lesson, hard words, children: independence, I-N-D-E-P-E-N-D-E-N-C-E, independence, I-N-D-E-P-E-N-D-E-N-C-E, independence. Second one, children: festival, F-E-S-T-I-V-A-L, festival, F-E-S-T-I-V-A-L, festival. Third one children, British, B-R-I-T-I-S-H, British, B-R-I-T-I-S-H, British. Fourth one children, sacrifice, S-A-C-R-I-F-I-C-E-D, sacrifice, S-A-C-R-I-F-I-C-E-D, sacrifice. Fifth one children, freedom, F-R-E-E-D-O-M, freedom, F-R-E-E-D-O-M, freedom. Sixth one children, East India, E-A-S-T, East, I-N-D-I-A, India, East India. Seventh one children, establish, E-S-T-A-B-L-I-S-H-E-D, established. Eighth one children, purpose, P-U-R-P-O-S-E, purpose. Ninth one, divide, D-I-V-I-D-E, divide. Tenth one children, discovery, D-I-S-C-O-V-E-R-Y, discovery. Okay children, thank you. I will meet in the next class.